The availability of skilled workers is a top concern among the manufacturing and construction industries in Wisconsin, including right here in La Crosse. In response to that concern, the Crosse School District announced a plan to start a construction academy at both high schools next fall. In tonight's Assignment Education Report, we'll take a look at this potential new program. Mudding, sanding, electrical wiring. These are all skills that are highly sought after in today's society.
We were approached by many of the construction people in the area, and they said that there's a need for these people, these skilled people.
So while the La Crosse School District already has a construction and engineering program, they've decided to take the curriculum a step further by creating the Construction Academy for juniors and seniors at both Logan and Central High Schools.
The juniors will take a construction systems class where they'll go through all the different parts of the construction industry, whether it be the electrical, whether it be drywalling, maybe general contractor, all those aspects. So that's one class. A second class will be construction careers, where as the students are learning those systems, we'll make connections with the business community to find out what are the careers that are involved, what's the post-secondary education that's involved, or the training, the apprenticeships, so we can give students a good idea of what a career path could be.
The third component of the academy will be a related math class.
Some of the cool projects that I think we'll be able to do is take a look at, for an example, if we're in a geometry class and we're talking about angles and things like that, let's take a look at pouring concrete. How do you figure out what the area is of the concrete that you need to pour? And so we're taking a look at relating some of those, or applying some of those skills that you're learning in your math class to those skills that are needed in the construction industry.
And with the basics out of the way by the end of a student's junior year, the curriculum for seniors will switch to actual projects and construction work in the field through partnerships in the community.
Through the city of La Crosse, they have a housing program where I've approached them with the possibility of this construction academy working together with the city, with maybe getting a property or a site where we can work with them and with that housing program and be able to rebuild a home.
If you can get specialized knowledge that's free before you can go off to college or into trade school, it's super helpful for you, and you can do so much more with your life if you have that pre-base knowledge. Which,
according to the Center on Wisconsin Strategy, is a good background to have, as Wisconsin is one of 2 states with the highest concentration of workers in the manufacturing sector in the nation. The Construction Academy is being modeled after the district's Health Science Academy, which started in the district 3 years ago.
And we should mention that this was just introduced to the school board last night as a proposal for possibly next year, so it's not a for sure thing.
That's absolutely correct. The academy is currently in the school course guide as an option for juniors and seniors, but the district would like to see 20 to 24 students registered at each school in order to go forward with this program. Now, both high schools have curriculum fairs this week. Central's was yesterday, and Logan's fair is tomorrow. Students and parents can talk with the construction and technology teachers at either high school to get more information if, of course, they or their student are interested.
Seems like a great idea, and I would imagine there would be a ton of interest out there, too.
They're hearing about a ton of interest from students and also the construction industry needing those skilled workers.
All right, well, we'll see.